Hello everybody, time to do another unboxing video. This time I've been waiting for this one. It's a Tommy Tech Little Armory Figma figure. Toyosaki, I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, Toyosaki Ena. 2013. Okay, I don't think it's that old, but... Alright, let's take a quick glance at the box. I can't read Japanese, and I'm not going to waste my time with that Google Translator. Look at the box bit. I start from left to right. Accessories, two faces. The side view. Sorry about the bright light there. Turn that down a bit. Not sure if you can see that. That's the stuff it comes with. Something 89556. Alright. Send back out. That in focus, and let's get it open. If I can only see. Alright, it's back on. Oh my goodness, what's holding this back? There we are. Really cool pull tab here. Hopefully just pull it out. Yes sir. Before we get to the figure, there's some stuff inside the box as well. Let's get that off camera. Alright. Oops. Alright. Toyosaki. Oh, sorry. Can't hold this in focus. Not sure what that says. Guess we're supposed to... Oh, it's for the boxes. Instructions for the boxes. These boxes. You get cardboard boxes. I guess that's a cool accessory, I suppose. Huh. Trying to figure out what the, sorry, I can't read. These two red things here. They say they do something, but I don't know what. I'll have to look at that later then. Alright, let's see. On to the figure itself. Oh, there's tape. Alright, set that to the side. She's neatly wrapped. Ooh, let's check out that gun. We'll zoom in on that. Not sure, but really fine detail on that. Can't really zoom in anymore. It'll get fuzzy. Yeah, sorry guys. That's the best I can do. That looks like a SIG, but I'm not 100% sure. Set that there, not on the table. Comes with, oh, sorry, radio. That was a taser for a sec. I'll set that down to the side. There's the extra face. Oh, sorry. Let me see if I can. You don't look too happy. Really hope that doesn't rub off after time. Here's. Set that there. And there's some more accessories that are. Wow. Sorry, I forget to focus sometimes. There is a bunch of accessories on the back. Ooh, that's neat. Let's take a look at that. They include a Figma bag with this. Didn't expect that. Now we don't have to lose any of the parts. We'll set that there for now. I did not notice that this was something. Off that. No. I'll take one thing. Look at that. Alright. You get a figure stand. That's pretty neat. It comes with a lot of stuff. I was actually lucky to get this for $60. Really cool. Here's some of her hands. Comes in a little really nice little holder there. Put it to the side. Now, time for the model guns. The Type 89. I'm not sure if you can see through the bag. Maybe. There's a bit of a glare. Type 89 rifle. Bipod. You get a bayonet knife and handguard and magazine. To the side here. Away you go. And now the main figure itself. Oh my goodness. It's like so delicately wrapped. How am I supposed to remove that? I don't want to just pop up your head. You know what? I forgot something. Forgot about the manual. Here's the instruction manual for the Type 89 rifle. It's supposed to be like a G3 or something. Oh, I had it backwards. Ha. There we go. One side's Japanese, one side's in English. Toyosaki Ena. Soldier joints can be pulled out. Cool. Okay, that's interesting. Alright, I don't really want to take apart her head, so I'm just going to carefully stretch out this plastic up and over. Got caught on her amazing hair. Alright, let's take a look at the figure itself. God, she just really reflects off. A little cute little camo bow tie. Skirt is not made out of cloth. Well, I guess it's my OCD. It's a bit uneven on one end. And a little place for her radio. Oh, just fits right in. I'm like terrified to put pressure on certain parts. Sits right in. Never really opened the Figma before, so pockets do not open. I can't tell if she's like smiling or not. Just looks really, really angry. Alright, so arm joints pop in and out. Alright, there you go. I was wondering why she looked a bit weird. Zoom out a bit. I'm always a bit scared of these joints somehow. Okay, so that does pop out if given the chance. So you don't want to bend that too far out. There's a joint here in the top part, the toes. I don't want to put too much pressure on that. Alright, so let's take a closer look again. I won't be giving her different hands yet. Not yet. Alright, let's clean up a little bit. Alright, let's have her sit down for a while. The skirt is so weird. Alright, I don't know if I could even pose her sitting down. Like possibly, maybe. This is weird. This is strange. Alright, as best I can get her on the chair. Here's a desk with some guns. And we'll do another quick unboxing, this time with the Mini Fashion 5 Suprise. My good friend picked this one out for me. Let's find out what's inside. Oh goodness. Okay, this is different. Oh, you just pop it open like that? So instead of just taking it apart. Cool, now I got a ball. Alright, let's see. Fashion Mini. Alright, let's take a look at the manual real quick here. 40 plus real fabric fashion bags. Can you find rare mini bags? Well, of course, the bags are like extremely rare. Here's the other side. Sorry. Gotta get used to where my location's at. Alright. Doesn't feel like much. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Got a purse. There we go. You could put like a desert eagle in there. Yeah, it's all desert eagle, this is a Colt python. Put that in there too. Look at that. That's cool. Alright, we'll give it to Toyo. There we go. Everything out. Supposed to be 5 things in here. I feel like I got gypped. Oh, I guess the rest is here. Okay, I got a sticker of a bag. It's 2. Some sunglasses 3. A makeup thing 4. And 5. Alright, some makeup. Looks like, I don't know if that was me that touched it or what, but there's a fingerprint there. We'll close that up. Let's see if we could open this. Some sort of cream there. Some cream. Yeah, put that on top. And now, the glasses. Check that out. That's pretty cool. Now, we just put that in the bag for her. We'll take the guns out for now. There we go. Put the sunglasses, the makeup. Alright, Toyosaki, you got your bag, your sunglasses, and your guns, and you're on your way. Gotta fix that lighting. But there's the figure. Probably do more poses with the figure later. Maybe when I get time to put the guns together. But that's it. Guns, a bag. Hold on. Don't forget your Lysol. Put that in the bag too. Alright, she's got her purse. She's got her sunglasses. And last but not least, let's just put the SIG in the bag as well. There we go. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and tune in next time for more unboxing videos.